Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we have 4 details on the schedule, all maintenance details except the second location. Third detail is a maintenance detail that just hasn't been able to align with the schedule for a couple months, so it may be a little dirtier. But regardless, we're headed to the first location now where we have 2 of the details. The cars are usually quite clean. I mean, they do have 2 kids, so one of the cars are sometimes a little more built up than the other. But nonetheless, pretty straightforward. Not sure if it'll just be 4 cars today or more. You guys probably already can tell by the title of the video. But anyways, I will see you guys at the first location. Just arrived to the first location. Here in the driveway we have a GLS 580 parked. Gonna go ahead and show you guys the befores quickly. I was requested to leather condition the front 2 seats, so I'll go ahead and do that as well. And yeah. So yeah guys, as you see, nothing too crazy, just normal build up, kids sitting in the car, dirty shoes, whatnot. So just a good cleaning gets it looking brand new again. The car will take right around 2 hours, and I will see you guys with the final product. Alright you guys, next up we have a Porsche Macan S. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the befores of this one. This is a maintenance client again, so car gets taken care of very well, and it's garage kept, so it comes out looking new. I'm pretty sure it's even ceramic coated. So yeah, here you guys go. Hopefully the leaf blowers off to the side isn't too loud and you can still hear me, but as you guys can see, the car isn't in too bad of a condition at all. So it should take under 2 hours. The WeatherTech mats help as well. Makes vacuuming and air compressing much easier. So yeah, gonna go ahead and knock this out. Second car of the day, and then I will get back to you guys with the after. Alright, you guys, we're here at the gas station now. After finishing those first two details, it took right around 4 hours to complete both. So we're gonna be here now, quickly fuel up, and then quick update. The next detail had to reschedule because the timing didn't work out like they thought it would. So that's not a problem. I mean, we don't like when that happens, but it's all good. So now I just need to stall. So I'll probably grab something to eat, and then I'm headed to my next detail, which is at 4:30. So we've got like an hour and a half in between, and then I will pick you guys back up then. I may or may not have a replacement detail tonight, late tonight. I'm still in communication with someone for that. Otherwise, I will have one more detail today, and that'll be a wrap. I'll see you guys in a second. Just arrived to the third location. It is in a parking garage in downtown Atlanta. It took about 30 minutes to get here from the last location. I'm currently waiting on the customer to arrive with the car since they're parked 2 levels below where residents park, so guests can't really get there. And yeah, it's a Tesla Model Y, I believe. Maintenance customer, like I said before, so should be pretty straightforward, easy. Comes out looking brand new. And yeah, I'll wait for the car to get here to show you guys the floors. As you guys saw, the car isn't in bad condition at all. Should take right under 2 hours. I'm gonna knock this out quickly, call the customer back out, and then our plan for the rest of the day is to go to the gym. Like I said before, we may have a detail later in the night, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. Good morning, and today is a new day. I apologize for the abrupt transition. I know we last left off with the Tesla Model Y, the afters. I hope you guys did enjoy those. There was a bit of a confusion in my schedule, so I kind of was trying to figure things out yesterday. Turned out nothing really happened, so just ended up not picking the camera back up, and now here we are. So we've got one more detail to get to today for this video, and then that'll be a wrap. The detail we're headed to is a maintenance client. It's the I'm not sure if it's been in the vlogs yet, but it is a Infiniti Q70. It's garage kept, so very easy, straightforward maintenance detail. We're headed there now. I'll see you guys when we get there. Quick little update. A customer slash friend of mine just reached out and asked if I had availability today. So with us only having one detail on the schedule, I went ahead and allowed a same day booking because I'm usually booked, so it can't happen regardless. But I'm not a fan of same days because it's usually a squeeze in and whatnot. But as I said, I only have one detail today, so I went ahead and took it on. So right after this detail, we have another detail, which is great. No complaints there. So yeah, just updating you guys that there will be one more detail added to this video. Anyways, pulling into the neighborhood now. I will see you guys with the befores of the Infiniti in a second. So as you guys can see, not very dirty at all. Garage kept and maintained pretty well on their own. Just normal driving buildup on the sides and then normal buildup in the driver and passenger floors. Shouldn't take more than an hour and a half, and I will see you guys in a second. So that's a wrap on the first detail of the day. That was a Infiniti Q70 maintenance detail. Does get it consistently done once a month. Now we're already at the next location. It's going to be a Genesis G70. So we've got the Q70 and the G70 today. Black paint as well. Maintenance client as well. Probably gets done every 4 to 8 weeks, I'd say. You know, he's a friend of mine, so there's a little more wiggle room. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that car up. The key is left inside, and I will see you guys in a second with the before shots. All right, you guys, so as you saw, not too bad. As I said before, basically a maintenance client, so it's gonna take right under 2 hours. We're gonna go ahead and get it knocked out quickly, and I'll be back with the final product. About an hour later, 6 floors, and I just finished passing out roughly 400 flyers, I want to say. So I try to do that every time I'm in a parking garage that I haven't passed out flyers in before. I haven't told you guys, but those flyers I showed you in the previous video, I ordered 5,000 of them. It's a full interior detail deal that I have going until January 15th. So the plan was to have it passed out by now already, honestly. It's been kind of slow just because I wasn't exactly happy with how they came. They came as a full sheet of paper because those are the dimensions a flyer is listed as, when really I wanted it as a half sheet of paper. Regardless though, I'm gonna get them passed out in due time. But yeah, just came on here to update you guys quickly. Did that, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go home here, take a shower, and then figure out what I'm gonna eat. Try to get the gym in later today. But besides that, that is a wrap on details.